Imagine a machine that's fully automated, capable of cutting both panels and valances at the same time. Two machines in one, powered by the latest in laser technology. With the M2 Laser, you can input your cut sizes manually or connect directly from your ERP system. Choose the cut you need, add custom letter cuts, and preview the final result, all in one seamless workflow. The integrated CNC functionality allows you to cut both awning fabric panels and valances simultaneously, effortlessly increasing productivity without adding labor costs. Every cut delivers the highest quality, thanks to our advanced laser technology. Eliminating the need for manual logo cutting and saving time on measuring and cutting valances. With the M2 Laser, you achieve more output with the same team, or even fewer staff, making it a powerful tool for efficiency and precision. Matic Machines, innovating to provide technological solutions that contribute to the prosperity of your business.